The much-anticipated listing of Maxis Berhad on Bursa Malaysia will see the largest public offering ever not only in Malaysia but also in the Southeast Asian region, said a senior official from CIMB Group. Maxis IPO will involve the sale of 2.25 billion of its shares, equivalent to 30% of the company, to new investors. Maxis has appointed CIMB Investment Bank Berhad, Goldman Sachs and Credit Suisse as joint global coordinators for its IPO. CIMB Group Chief Executive Datuk Sri Nazir Razak said the return of Maxis to Bursa Malaysia is great news for the Malaysian equity market as it welcomes back a well-traded stock which will add more than 4% to the total market cap of Bursa Malaysia.
Assuming a final institutional price of 520 and retail price at a 5% lower level of 494, this IPO would raise some 11.6 billion ringgit. This was therefore be the largest IPO in Malaysian history by some distance, outdoing, of course, the previous record I mentioned by Maxis Communications Berhad. I have also been informed that this IPO is the largest international IPO in Asia Pacific this year, the largest telco IPO in Asia Pacific since the year 2000, and the largest IPO in Southeast Asia ever.
Nazir said this in his speech at the official launch of Maxis prospectus in Kuala Lumpur on Wednesday. Based on current timelines, the pricing for the IPO is expected to be concluded by November 10 this year. Maxis is expected to be listed on the main market of Bursa Securities on November 19th. The telecommunications company was initially listed in 2002 as Maxis Communications Berhad but was taken private in 2007. Maxis said it will focus solely on the Malaysian businesses which have strong and stable cash flows to enable it to put forward an aggressive dividend policy to its shareholders. The telco said it aims a payout ratio of not less than 75% of its net profit as dividends. Maxis currently holds 40% of the mobile market share in Malaysia, including the leading position in prepaid and postpaid segments. With a strong branding and high proportion of high-end customers, the telco is well positioned to capitalize on the growth prospects in the mobile broadband sector.
There are several major opportunities for further growth for Maxis. Key market drivers lie in the compelling demographics in Malaysia. 50% of the population is estimated to be under the age of 25 and provides opportunities for growth both in terms of subscribers as well as the adoption of new data services.
The company said proceeds from the IPO will be used for various purposes, including to fund its other investments and to repay its debt. Upon its listing, Binary Yang GSM Sdn Berhad through Maxis Communications Berhad will effectively own 70% of Maxis.